students, welcome to Bruhan Mumbai Municipal Corporation's Virtual Training Center, and I am your teacher Mrs. Nehal Gudambe. Welcomes you in today's Standard 6 English class. Children, how are you all? I hope you are doing well. And now you all have adjusted yourself to learning from home. As our schools are not open, we are studying from our home. So, in English class, your Snehal teacher comes with a new topic. So, let's see what is today's topic. So, today we are going to learn more about nouns and pronouns. We will see what are nouns and what are pronouns and how to use them. So here I have come with some pictures. You just watch those pictures and name them in your mind. Then I'll ask you. Okay? So the first picture, the second picture on which we sit, third is your favorite bird, and here comes your pet animal, and the next picture, the thing with we play, and this is you or your friend or your sister, and one more picture of a place where we go. So here are some pictures, but I have not written their name, but you know their names. Okay, so we will write their names now one by one. You check your answers with my answer. So let's start naming the things. So the first picture is of window. The second picture is cat, a pussy cat. We have, some people have at their home. Then this is a parrot, right? Then the things which we have at our home on which we sit is a chair. Next picture is of a balloon. Then comes a girl. And the next picture was of market where we go and buy fruits, vegetables and other things. So here we have named those pictures which we have seen earlier. Okay. Now once again we will read the names of all these things. Window, cat, parrot, chair, balloon, girl and market. Now you must be thinking why Snail teacher has choose so different things. So let's see why is it so. So now we will take those names one by one and we will categorize them. So girl comes under the title people. Girl हे काय आहे? लोक किंवा माणसं, people. So there is a girl, a boy, a man, a woman, a baby, children, child. All these names come under the title of people. Then next thing was cat. So cat is an animal. You all know that. Then parrot. So parrot is not a people. It is not an animal. Then what is it? It is a bird. Then next thing was a window. Window is a thing, vastu. Then balloon. So balloon is also a thing. Now you will think window is also thing, balloon is also thing. Then why Snail teacher has taken balloon again? But see children, in balloon there is air and we cannot see air with our eyes. Right? वी कॅन सी द बलून. आपण फुगा बघू शकतो, पण फुग्याच्या आतमध्ये असलेली हवा आपण पाहू शकतो का? नाही ना. म्हणजे ज्या गोष्टी आपण पाहू शकतो त्या आणि ज्या गोष्टी आपण फक्त आपल्या डोळ्यांनी पाहू शकत नाही त्या, अशा सगळ्या गोष्टींचा आपण इथे विचार केलाय. द नेक्स्ट थिंग वॉज चेअर. सो चेअर इज ऑल्सो अ थिंग. And the last picture was of market. So market is not people, not animal, not bird, not thing. Then what is market? It is a place where we go to buy our things. Okay. So all these things togetherly called nouns in English. काय म्हणायचं इंग्लिश मध्ये त्यांना? Nouns. Okay. So let's learn more about nouns. We will read it now. What are nouns? The words in the above table are together known as nouns in English. इंग्लिश मध्ये ह्याला काय म्हणायचं? Nouns म्हणायचं. Okay? The words in the above table are together known as nouns in English. So cat, girl, window, table, balloon, all they are nouns. So, a word that represents a person, place, thing or idea. Idea means I'm getting scared, I'm happy, I'm sad. So, all these things are known as idea. एखाद्या वस्तूला, एखाद्या ठिकाणाला, एखाद्या माणसाला, एखाद्या भावनेला जे नाव दिलेलं असतं त्याला आपण इंग्लिशमध्ये नाउन म्हणतो. Now look here. I am going to read one very easy passage. Okay? There is a girl and she is introducing herself to you. तिथे एक छोटीशी मुलगी आहे बघा आणि ती तुम्हाला तिच्याबद्दल माहिती सांगते. My name is Sarika. Sarika goes to school. Sarika study in standard 6. Radhika is Sarika's friend. Sarika and Radhika study in the same school. Sarika and Radhika go to school together. Radhika is very good in studies. Radhika helps Sarika to learn English. Now see here, that girl is telling about herself, but still she is using her name again and again. What is her name? Sarika. Okay. So she says, my name is Sarika. Sarika goes to school. आपण असं म्हणतो का? माझं नाव स्नेहल आहे. स्नेहल शाळेत जाते. स्नेहल 6वी शिकते. राधिका स्नेहलची मैत्रीण आहे. सारिका आणि राधिका म्हणजे स्नेहल आणि राधिका एका शाळेत शिकतात. असं आपण सारखं सारखं आपल्याबद्दल जेव्हा बोलतो तेव्हा स्वतःचं नाव वापरतो का? माझं नाव स्नेहल आहे. मी शाळेत जाते. मी 6वीत शिकते. राधिका माझी मैत्रीण आहे असं आपण बोलतो. आता हे पुन्हा एकदा आपण वाचूया बघा. कानाला किती ऑड वाटतं. माय नेम इज सारिका. सारिका गोज टू स्कूल. सारिका स्टडी इन स्टँडर्ड 6. Radhika is Sarika's friend. Sarika and Radhika study in the same school. Sarika and Radhika go to school together. Radhika is very good in studies. Radhika helps Sarika to learn English. आता हा पॅसेज जो आहे तो आपण जरा एका वेगळ्या पद्धतीने लिहून बघूया. ओके. सी हिअर. आय एम सारिका. आता तिथे रेड मध्ये मी जिथे लिहिलंय ना तिथे बघा तुम्ही. आय एम सारिका. I go to school. I study in standard 6. Radhika is my friend. We study in the same school. We go to school together. Radhika is very good in studies. She helps me to learn. Now look at the words which are in red color. I, we, my, she, me. So these are the words we have used Instead of writing Radhika and Sarika again and again, so what are those words? So, I, we, she, me are known as pronouns in English. आपण मगाशी nouns म्हणजे काय बघितलं? Naming things to the people, place, animal, birds, things, the things which can we see, which we cannot see. So they are all known as nouns. बरोबर आहे? आपण बघितलं की ज्या वस्तूंना, गोष्टीला, ठिकाणाला आपण नाव ठेवतो, नाव देतो, त्याला आपण नाउन्स म्हणतो इंग्लिशमध्ये. पण हे नाउन आपण सारखं सारखं वापरलं की आपल्या कानाला बघा काहीतरी ऑड वाटतं आणि ते चुकीचं सुद्धा वाटतं. तर त्या नाउन ऐवजी आपण जो शब्द वापरतो त्याला इंग्लिशमध्ये प्रोनाउन्स असं म्हणतात. We have used I, we, she, me, my. So all these are pronouns in English. Okay, so let's learn more about these pronouns. Pronouns are the words that stand for nouns. They are used when we know what nouns we are talking about. आता हे कधी वापरायचे प्रोनाउन्स? जेव्हा आपल्याला पक्क माहिती असतं की आपण कुठल्या नाउन बद्दल बोलतोय. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, when we are talking about Radhika, we have used word she because Radhika is a girl. So for Radhika we have to use she. Now what is this she and he? So let's learn about those words that to whom we use she or he or some other pronouns. आता इंग्लिशमध्ये आणखीन काही प्रोनाउन्स मी तुम्हाला ओळख करून देणार आहे आणि ते कोणासाठी वापरायचे आहेत ते आपण पाहूया. So you can see a chart over here. There are some pronouns. They are not all. ह्याच्या व्यतिरिक्त पण आणखीन असतात. But today we will introduce us with those pronouns. I, you, they, we, it, he and she. So all those words are known as pronouns. So let's see them one by one. I, we, you, he, she, it and they. Now there is an activity in our course book that you have to translate this word in Marathi. आपल्या पुस्तकात आपल्याला ऍक्टिव्हिटी दिली आहे की हे शब्द तुम्ही तुमच्या मातृभाषेत म्हणजे इथे मराठीत म्हटलंय त्यांनी मराठीत ट्रान्सलेट करा आणि त्याचा अर्थ बघा लावून आणि मग तुमच्या लक्षात येईल की हे शब्द आपण मराठीत कसे वापरतो आणि इंग्लिशमध्ये कसे वापरतो. सो लेट्स ट्रान्सलेट देम. आय, मी, वी, आम्ही, वी आर चिल्ड्रन. ओके. यू, तू किंवा तुम्ही. यू जे आहे ते सिंग्युलर साठी पण वापरतात आणि प्लुरल साठी पण. एक वचन यू आर अ बॉय किंवा यू आर चिल्ड्रन असं. मुलगा असेल तर वी यूज ही म्हणजे तो. ही इज सागर. शी इज सारिका ती. इट ते. एखादा पक्षी आहे, एखादा प्राणी आहे, एखादी वस्तू आहे तर ते दाखवायला आपण ते वापरायचं. कसं मी तुम्हाला दाखवणार आहे. आणि दे म्हणजे पण ते, पण दे म्हणजे अनेक वचनी ते, प्लुरल आहे. ओके. बघा पुन्हा एक पिक्चर मी तुम्हाला दाखवते. आय, वी, यू, ही, शी, इट. I, we, you, it, he, she. Now I have opted these words, these pronouns in random orders. So let's know something more about them. When we introduce ourselves, जेव्हा आपण स्वतःबद्दल सांगतो, आता आपण मगाशी बघितलं ती सांगते आपल्याला आय एम सारिका. सो when we introduce ourselves, we use the pronoun I. जेव्हा आपण स्वतःबद्दल बोलतो, मी तुम्हाला सुरुवातीला नेहमी सांगते बघा, आय एम युअर स्नेहल टीचर. आय. When we are many, when we are with our brothers, sisters, or when we are our friends, then we says we. We are students of standard 6. आपण पण असतो तिकडे आणि आपल्याबरोबर आणखीन कोणीतरी असतं. ओके, देन यू हॅव टू यूज pronoun we. Then comes the next. When you are showing to someone else, तुम्ही कोणाला तरी दाखवताय, then you use the word you. You are a girl, or you are my friend. You. Now this is singular. एकटीच मुलगी आहे ना ती, एक वचन. But when there are more children, then also we use the pronoun you. But in first place that is singular you, and in second place that is plural you. बघा, you दोन वेळेला वापरतो आपण, सिंग्युलर साठी पण आणि प्लुरल साठी पण. Then comes, there is a boy who plays the football. So for boy we use the word or pronoun he. He is a boy, or he plays football. He. Look at that pronoun he, he. And there is a girl, we use pronoun to talk about her is she. She is a girl. She has a teddy bear. She is laughing. She is Radhika. So she. For boy we use pronoun he, and for girl we use pronoun she. Then there are some other things. If it is a bird, if it is an animal, in the beginning we have seen, it is a parrot, it is a cat, or thing, it is a book, it is a notebook, it is a pen. So for such things which are not people but which are things or birds or animals, we use the pronoun it. It. It is a bird. It is a cat. It is a book. It is my pen. Okay? So it. And when you are talking about more people, when you are showing you more people, so we use the pronoun they. They are children. They are my friends. They are reading the storybooks. They are playing. They are my neighbors. So for showing more people, we use the pronoun they. Okay? So in this way we have learned about I, we, you, plural you, he, she, it and they. So there is an activity on page number 22 in our book. So do that activity after watching this video, and watch this video again and again so that you will come to know what are nouns and what are pronouns.
That's all for today. So you will revise whatever we have learned in today's session. Please subscribe the channel and press the notification button to get the link of next video. Bye bye.